Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for American Express account. So let's get started. Launch open a web browser to get started, and soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in americanexpress.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site for American Express. Go and click on the login link at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the sign-in area. Now in the login page, you'll need to enter your user ID followed by your password. Select your account where you'd like to end up and click login to access your account right away. If you don't remember your password during the process, then you can get help by clicking on this forgot user ID or the password link. Soon after you do that, it'll take you to this page where you can choose whether you've forgotten your user ID or your password. If you don't remember your user ID, check this first option and enter your email address, first name, and the last name associated with your account. If you don't remember your password, select the password option and then enter your user ID in the text box. Finally, click on the submit button, and then on the next page, you'll need to verify your account. Follow through the prompts till the end and choose a new password you'd like to reset for your American Express account. That is how you should be able to get hold of your password back again if you've forgotten your password on American Express online banking account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.